Here we go with the sweet potatoes.
Oh my goodness. Here we come. Oh.
Whoa! Oh, what is that?
Does that taste pretty good?
Mmm.
Yeah. Now swallow.
Oh, that's different, huh?
Have a little taste. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Oh.
Oh, you got a ways to go, buddy. You better start eating.
Oh, that was a big, oh.
Swallow it down, mister. Good boy.
You want to try to do it yourself? Go ahead. Good job.
Good boy. Yeah. Mmm, yummy.